here at CONA, we offer comprehensive services when it comes to musculoskeletal care. We have providers that are subspecialty trained in foot and ankle, total joints for knee and hip, total shoulders, as well as all upper extremity care. We also have an excellent spine department that takes care of back problems, as well as our pain management department that can treat some non-operative conditions. I think that we have a group of providers that are special, that really care about their patients and their outcomes, and that may be more so than you find at some of the other practices around.